All done. Can you say hunter? Sophia? Can you say hunter? Hunter? Say mama.
Mama.
Yeah.
Matt.
Daddy's name is Matt. Say hunter. Is Hunter your friend? Can you say hunter?
Oh.
Say hunter. What's the doggy say?
Oh.
Yeah. Hey, what's the monkey say?
Oh.
What does the cow say?
No.
Moo. What's the cow say? What does the chicken say?
Bark.
Bark. What does the cow say? Moo. Can you say hunter?
Hug.
Say hunter.
Okay.
Good girl. Good girl. Say thank you.
Daddy.
Good girl. Say blanket.
Bubba.
Good girl.
Blue.
Say brush.
Black.
Good girl.
Black.
Say ball.
Box.
Good girl.
Ball.
Good girl. Say box.
Ball.
Good girl. Can you say shoe? Say blue. Say blue. Hey, Sophia, can you say shoe? Look. 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 Hurry. Hurry, look. Say shoe. Shoe. How do you say shoe? Does Daddy put his shoes on in the morning? Shoe? Say shoe. Say, can you tell Mommy blue? Blue. Good girl. Blue. Say banana. 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 Good girl. Say banana. Banana. How do you say shoe?
No.
No. Say shoe. Can you tell Mommy shoe? Shoe? Shoe. Good girl. Shoe? Where does your shoe go? Where does your shoe go? On your foot? Yeah? On your foot? Where's your belly? Say belly. Say belly. Belly? Say belly. Oh, say potty. Oh, you're just saying that, huh? Say potty. You're so silly. Say there. Good girl. Say all done. Can you tell Mommy all done? Good girl. Cover your mouth. Remember to cover your mouth when you cough. Wash hands. Yeah, wash hands. How do you say cup? How do you say cup? Show Mommy cup. Put your head. Hey. Can you show Mommy cup? Sophia. Show Mommy. How do you say cup? Tell Mommy cup.
Blanket.
Blanket. Say cup.
Blanket.
What's this?
No.
Say cup.
No.
No, you don't want to say cup?
No.
Say mama. Mama.
Mama.
Say cup. Sophia. Say blanket.
Blanket.
Good girl. Oh, a nice flip-flop.